Hunkydory has come out with something they're calling Wonderful Whirls. That's right, W-H-I-R-L-S. They call these concept cards, and the kit is going to allow you to make 12 of these wonderful whirl cards. Now, fortunately, there are instructions in there, and of course, that's what we would expect. Now, everything I'm going to show you, you're going to get 2 of. So let me show you this. So you get 1 instruction sheet. Okay, you get that. Then you're going to get 6 of these. Now, you're going to get 6 different designs, 2 of each, and you're going to see that they are foiled. There is a base, and there is another piece that's a circle that has a cut in it. Now that cut is really critical. You know what? I should probably show you what the end result is to really let you see what's going on. So here's the front of this card. That envelope is sending a greeting. I'm going to take the ribbon and whirl it around, and there we've got a note to say thank you so very much. Just like that. Now, in addition, the inside of the card can also be finished, and I'll show you what they recommend. So that's the whirling. Okay, so you've got a butterfly whirling with a birthday greeting that's also cut. Now here is the card that matches, and then this is an insert. And Hunkydory likes to take the inserts and put them, well, you would think, as the inserted onto the inside of their card. Now you've got an extra one too, so you can put this on one card and then this on another, because everything I'm showing you, you're going to get 2 of. Okay, so there's the butterfly. And what they did in this set is give you artwork for a variety of reasons and for a variety of people. So we've got this charming little panda bear, birthday bear hugs just for you. And here is the card. And here is the insert that has the little guy right there. Now you could glue this totally to the inside of your card and have that little piece and just fold it in half, whatever you like. Okay, we also have a cup of tea makes everything better, words to live by. And here is the card itself, and here is the insert. Again, you get 2 of each. Now we also have something for the guys. So here's You're Not Old, You're Vintage. I'm sure that will be reassuring to many folks. And you'll notice that there is a hole here in every single one of the circles. That's to insert the ribbon. And yes, ribbon is included. Here's the card. And there isn't, oh, here's the insert. Again, it's just got, the inserts with Hunkydory always have a ghosted back image. And there is also one for the kids. So hope your day is out of this world. And our card is very stellar. And then our little monkey is right there. So boys or girls. Now, the example that I just showed you used this one. So we've got the little envelope and a note to thank you so very much. Here is the card base that was used and the insert that can be used. Now, in addition, there are envelopes for every single one of the 12 cards that you can make. So just, I can see why they call it a concept card. Oh, also you get 42 inches of ribbon in 2 different colors. You also get a dozen of the brads so that you have everything you need to make these wonderful whirl cards. So fun.